I've devoted decades to reviving technical ways of training painters. Now, going forward, I do believe the work of the artist in the world is not just technical. The work ultimately will be as deep and rich as the artist who made it. We're going to be focusing on what you're seeing. How can you simplify it? How can you say it? The studio work is serious. It's not dry, but it's focused. And there's something rigorous about working that hard where we challenge ourselves and we kind of call the best out of ourselves. The figure will hit hard on the technical until the last day or two. Working outside, there will be more opportunity to just stage dive right into a mess of paint and drawing. I want to know people very well by the end. I don't want to know a mask of who somebody thinks they should be or what an artist looks like. The best work represents the person who made it, for better or worse, all of us.